Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your girl, Shade Boo. Yeah, see, I've been on it, but editing has been kicking my butt. Listen, I edit, I fall asleep, wake back up, start where I finish, fall asleep. It's just a lot. We just dropped Royalty off. We weren't late, but we weren't early. Let's just say that. And I'm with the great Zion. Want to say good morning?
Morning.
And we have a meeting at Zion's school. And yeah. So you guys know that Zion is autistic and he does go to a specialized school. And so this morning we have a meeting pertaining to Opwdd. And I'm just so grateful because the team of people behind Zion is just amazing. And they have his best interest at heart. And that's what matters, and that's what makes your kids great. The team behind them. So make sure that you got good people around your kids to help them grow. Okay, we're about to go up in the school, so I'll let y'all know a little bit what happened. Okay, so we just finished and it was so good. Again, I have to say I'm just so grateful. I am just truly, like, I could cry. Like, I'm just so grateful. But I'm gonna talk to you guys more about it when I get home. We're gonna go inside McDonald's. Huh, Papa?
Nothing.
We're gonna go inside McDonald's and see if we could have some lunch. Y'all know that's his fave. Because Why you look like that?
They're having breakfast.
And now they're releasing a new one.
I know what.
A new Godzilla and Kong movie called Supernova.
So you keep up with all of the, how you say?
Godzilla?
You keep up with all the Godzillas.
No. I try to keep on track. They said that it's in production right now. They said it comes out on 2027. That got me so upset. Why?
Things it takes time to make a movie, you know.
I don't know, because they felt like that the other movie that they released was just fast, and they wanted to do Supernova. It's just so. But why 2027 though? It's 2026. A new day, a new year. And now I gotta wait a whole another year. It's upsetting now. I don't want to wait that long, because once I hit 18, it's gonna be out, and I'm gonna have.
And then you go see the movie.
They said Space Godzilla was gonna be in it. They said Space Godzilla was gonna be in it.
Yeah, I have work tomorrow.
You think I don't know that? Miss, I know I have work tomorrow. You don't have to remind me.
Why?
Because I know.
Oh, okay.
From him. Yeah. He's crazy. Just a bit.
A little bit.
Not like your father.
My father's crazy too.
But he's cool. Grandma and Grandpa, what was that problem? I don't understand.
I don't really know.
I don't get it. I never talked to Grandma about that because I thought she would get upset at me.
No, you can ask her whatever you want. I don't know.
I really hope it wasn't anything bad, because if it was actually really, really bad, I would be upset at Grandpa. Because I didn't know. Because I didn't know what's happening with my grandmother. I don't know what's going on with my grandmother. She's been away from your dad for like how long? And it's been like
a lot of years.
Exactly. It's been a lot of years. And I don't even know what
But they're cool.
Are they really cool?
Yeah.
I don't think so. The way I see
We
it.
was all just at David's Bagel the other day for breakfast. Well, my dad just stopped by.
Of course he stopped by.
Grandpa just stopped by and Grandma was there. They speak, Zion. They're not like enemies.
Oh.
She doesn't hate him, dislike him, or anything like that.
No. I thought that's...
Sometimes it just doesn't work out with people.
What about you and Dad?
What about him? I speak. When he calls my phone, I say, good morning, Junior.
Same thing?
I say, good afternoon, Junior. Good evening, Junior.
But sometimes you don't really want to talk to him.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter what I don't want to do. When he calls my phone, it's about you. So anything that has to do with you, I can put how I feel to the side. How I feel doesn't matter when it comes to co-parenting and you. You understand?
Oh, okay. I get it now. Do you try to... Have you ever tried...
But do I really want to talk to him? No, I don't. If it was up to me, no. If we didn't have a child together, I would never hear from your dad ever again. And he would never hear from me neither. If we didn't have a child, he would just be my ex-boyfriend.
I don't think I want to imagine that. That's scary to me.
But I'm glad that we had you.
And I'm happy I made it in the world.
Because I was so happy. I was so happy when I had you, Zion.
I was only a small child, and that upset me the most.
How? Exactly.
You said you hold me right here.
Yeah, but you didn't know. You didn't know. I was so happy.
I didn't know what was going on around me. I didn't know what happened.
And I was in love with you.
You were. I could tell the way how you were holding me. I saw what happened.
And how I treated you. And I just used to love on you. And just love on you. And kiss you up.
I was born in 2008, right? Mm-hmm. What if I was born in 2009? How old would I be by then?
You would be 16.
16.
Mm-hmm. Dante and them was born 2017. That's why they're 18.
2017.
I mean, not 2017. What I'm talking about? 2007. And you was born 2008.
Oh my. Everybody's ahead of me. What? Oh my God. Imagine if I was...
Give me a nugget.
Imagine if I was born...
Please. May I please have a nugget?
Imagine if I was born in 2029. My life would have been so much easier.
And what?
If I was born in 2029, my life
Well,
would be...
I wouldn't be your mother. Because I'm not having no baby in my 40s. You must be mad.
Yes, you are.
No, the hell I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm 38. You think I want to be having babies when I turn 40-something?
It's going to have to go anyways if God gives you a baby or not.
What, now? Later on in the future? I don't want to have no more kids, Zion.
I know. That's what I'm happy about.
You and royalty is enough.
Oh, good.
Enough. I don't need any more. Yep. I don't need no more Pitney.
I can't believe I made it this far. I learned how to draw right. And it was only by the hand of TV and stuff. Back then I used to just...
Trace?
That got me upset.
Why? That's how you learn.
That's how
How
I
you
did
think
learn.
you learn how to write? You trace letters.
True.
Mm-hmm. This food was good.
I'm just glad you're here with me, Mom.
We're just here chilling. I just finished eating. I'm so tired. I need a nap, Zion.
Go take a nap then.
I'm always moving, right? Always moving around. Doing something, finding something to do. Oh, God is good. No, I'm gonna finish editing the video y'all was supposed to get yesterday. Really. So, I hope everybody is having the week they deserve. We are now halfway through the week. It is Wednesday. All right, when I relax, when I'm sitting down relaxed, we'll talk because I want to tell y'all as far as about the evaluation and stuff. What happened at the school? All right, so I'm done eating, right? So Zion is autistic and he is level 1 because you know it's 3 levels. So he's level 1, he's high functioning, right? Zion was diagnosed at, I believe it was officially at 3 years old, right? So I say that to say this. So he is now 17 and he's going to be 18 years old. And the journey was long. The journey was long, but I'm grateful for the progress. And I'm grateful for the milestones. I'm grateful for the people around him. I'm grateful for the team. Like I just know that from the time that Zion was born, I know that God had him. Now, of course, I had my day-to-day worries just as a mother. Because when my son was only 29 weeks in an incubator, that boy did 2 push-ups. He was on his stomach and he was using his feet and his hands, his elbows, and he was pushing himself up and down, up and down. His eyes were closed because they were taped. He was in an incubator. So he needed to continue to develop. But we could see, me and my mom could see his little calf. You know when you do a exercise and you see the muscle? When I saw that, I was like, oh, this baby is going to be okay. Like, I'm not worried. Like, he was just so determined. So coming out of the hospital, he was receiving services immediately because he was born with bleeding of the brain and he was born early. So they said you won't really know what the situation will be or what it is until he's in a school setting to see how he processes information and how he, adapts and just how he does things, right? So, like I said, he was diagnosed at 3 years old. Up until 3, he was getting all types of services. Once he was diagnosed, he was getting even more services. The team of people that God put in place to work with my son is unbelievable. It's unbelievable. I am so grateful. As a mother, when you see your children who have a disability and they're struggling a certain way, or you see the struggles, we tend to have this thing inside of us that's like, will they ever be able to be 100% independent? Will they ever be? We tend to question a lot of things because that's just the emotional side of us. But the team, prayer, and the team that helps your child push through matters so much. Your involvement in getting them better and where they need to be, mentally, emotionally, physically, however. And I'm not talking about the children with disability that are more so, it may be maybe more severe, where maybe they need something that requires a little bit more intensive care. And even then, the team that is with your child still matters. It still matters. So just knowing how far Zion has come with a whole village. I don't want to get emotional. I said I was not going to get emotional. It took a whole village of people. It took me to trust a whole village of people to help me. And when you see people loving on your child as if they was his own and wanting the best for him and going the extra mile and making the extra call and talking to somebody extra and adding him to the extra on the list, and just when you see people pushing and the team that, let me tell you something. When I look at my son, I don't need nobody to tell me that God is not real. When I look at my son, I know God is real. And I'm just so, this season, I said last year was my grateful season. This season, just to know that there's things that you pray for and you see it unfold. And for 17 years, from the time that my baby was in an incubator, I was speaking life over him. From the time he was in my womb, I was praying for him. My mom was praying. I was constantly speaking life into him. I didn't know I was going to have a child who was going to be born early. I didn't know I was going to have a child with autism. But I could not. I'm telling you, and I'm telling you, that you cannot do this by yourself. I could not do this by myself. There were so many people. And I'm talking about teachers. I'm talking about staff. I'm talking about doctors. There were people, specialists, OT, speech, counselors, therapists, psychologists, neurologists. There were people that held my hand through every single step and made the process so smoothly for me. Yes, there was hard days. Yes, there was days I didn't think that I could make through. I didn't think I could continue to even mother him. I'm like, what more can I do? I'm loving on him. I'm pouring into him. Because you're not seeing any milestones often, maybe, or you're not seeing any progress after progress after progress after progress being made. That's why I say celebrate the little milestone. The little milestone. If your child is nonverbal and they never even spoke and their first word is just hi, and that's all they say all day, every day, you still celebrate it. It's still a milestone. But the team of people that God put in place, oh my God, Lord knows, I am so grateful. My son's future, his destiny is so bright. And he has no idea. I explained to him, like, Zion, you've had some really, really good people in your life and a good team of people that really, really work with you and, have always been accommodating, have always, had your best interest at heart. And he's like, yeah, Mom, I know. I'm grateful. But me as the mother, the support is out here. The support is out here. You have to stay encouraged. You have to lock in. You have to get in tune with the teachers, get in tune with the staff, get in tune with the principal, get in tune with the specialists, get in tune with your doctors, be more communicative, show up. Show up. You have to push until something happens. And there's so many programs out here for these children. There's so many options. There's so many. Like, my son is 17. He's been working since 14. Now he's working, for the summer he was working at the precinct. And this year now he's working at a nursing home and he's helping the older people. And just, he's so, as much as sometimes he may like give me a little hard time at home sometime, not all the time, but sometime outside he's so respectful and he's so kind-hearted, and people have just amazing things to say about him, and to know that I contributed to a being who conducts themselves in that manner. I'm just so proud. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of Zion. I'm so freaking proud. Your team matters. Your support system matters. Stop being antisocial. Stop not wanting to link with some of the moms. I'm telling you, your child, sky is the limit. Sky is the limit. I can only speak for my son and the situation he was in and the level 1 that he's at in high functioning. But to everybody else, it don't matter where your child is at on the spectrum, stay encouraged. Stay encouraged, because sky is the limit. There isn't anything that they can't do when you have the right support and you have the right team and you keep God first and pray over your children. My mother used to tell me all the time, you better be praying over your kids. You need to be praying over your kids. And I used to hear her, but I wasn't listening like that. But I was like, all right, mama, pray. But the power that's in prayer, what you manifest for your children, I'm telling you, it's important. It's important. I'm sorry, I had to get emotional. I'm just so grateful, and just seeing my prayers unfold right in front of my face, and just, my son is going to be all right. He's already all right. He's okay. He's right where he's supposed to be. He is right where he's supposed to be. So I'm just grateful, and I just wanted to share that with you guys, just in case there's anybody watching, or you need to share this to somebody you know who may be going through that situation right now. But yeah, so I think I'm going to end this vlog right here. I'm going to take a nap. I'm tired, and I feel like I've been doing a lot, just moving around a lot. So I'm going to be still. I was going to read, but anytime I start reading, I don't like to read when I'm tired. So I'll wait till I'm up. But yeah, I love you guys. Stay encouraged. Any questions, any comments, leave it down in the comment section. I will respond. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Make sure you share this video to somebody who needs to hear this. Okay? I love y'all. See y'all in the next vlog.